What is going on, you guys, and welcome to the Thunderstorm vlog. Now we got a really big Supercell coming in, so I figured we were going to film it and see how all this plays out. Got the Supercell shirt on, by the way. If you want to pick this shirt up or these flip-flops, you can get them at ryanhallyall.com. Really cool meteorologist on YouTube. Check out his channel. Turn you back on when it starts to pick up. She's definitely rolling in. Saying straight line winds, gusting up to 80 miles an hour. It's definitely picking up. That's a really strong gust right here. Sheesh. Storm is no joke. Now this storm has caused about 5,000 power outages so far, and it's just going to get worse. It's a pretty big storm coming through, guys. My goodness gracious, look at these trees. I'm kind of scared. Look at that tree. And the main part of the storm has not even got to us yet. That's the crazy thing. This storm, it came from north and it's moving straight down south. Some very dark and almost black looking skies off to my east. Look at these trees. And I hope we don't lose power. I'm hoping one of these big ass trees do not fall or snap on top of me. I'm hearing limbs crack all around me. Sheesh! Oh, little branch just hit the top of the car. Alright guys, so I'm starting to hear a little bit of thunder in the background. The storm's moving in pretty quickly. It's moving about 45 miles an hour. Now we got a little bit of damage out here so far. Got some trash around the yard and stuff. Got a piece of the gutter right here. Gutter done flew off. There's something crazy that I've never seen happen before. But let's check this out real quick. Now if you look right up in there, there's a pizza pan stuck in a tree. I don't know how the pan got stuck in a tree. I guess the wind done picked it up and thrown it in there. These winds have been really heavy at times. Some crazy stuff. Turkeys are doing alright. Y'all need to take your tornado safety precautions. It's like the calm before the storm, you guys. But yeah, the phones have been going off like crazy, alert after alert. I think there's been like 4 or 5 alerts telling everybody to take cover. Dangerous part about this storm that's coming through is the damaging wind. Like I said, it's pretty much getting up to about 80 miles an hour. So it's pretty intense for sure. Pretty much tornado force, category 1 hurricane force winds, but it's just straight line damaging winds, which means it's a widespread of outages throughout the counties and stuff like that. So it's pretty bad. Comment down below if you enjoy thunderstorms and thunderstorm vlogs. I love storms myself. So the question stands within, should Mikey become a storm chaser? Comment down below, you guys. Let me know. Give me your thoughts. Here's a look at the sky. And we are facing south. Just seeing a couple bolts of lightning. Still hearing the thunder. Alright you guys, so the main portion of the storm actually ended up missing us about 30 miles. But don't worry you guys, we got another big storm on its way. It should be here in about an hour or two. And this one's going to also pack a really big punch. It's got tons of lightning in it and stuff. So we're going to see how all this plays out. We're going to hopefully cross our fingers that it doesn't shift. And we'll get a pretty decent storm on camera. I think that would be pretty cool. As long as everybody stays safe, of course. Now, I still do hear a little bit of thunder rumbling in the background, but that first storm is pretty much moving off to the south and stuff. And we got another one coming from up north, and it looks a little more promising on radar. It's shifted more towards my area, and it's coming straight down. So like I said, within an hour or two, we're going to see what's going on. Until then, you guys stay tuned. See you in just a bit. Alright you guys, as I look at this map of Virginia right here, we're going to take a look at the radar. It might be a little blur on it, but if you can see right here beside Richmond, right here by the D, that's pretty much where we're at. Now you see this line of storms that's coming through. That's the storms that I'm talking about coming down from Tappahannock. And then we have this big old batch up here that's probably going to hit later on tonight. Now if you look, that's the storm right there that we were just witnessing with all the heavy winds and stuff. So we're just going to see how this plays out and see how it hits. Now as you can see, it has a few little blotches of red and yellow in there, which this is a lightning producing storm. The main stuff is off to the east. So yeah you guys, we're just going to have to wait and see. Got about another 40 minutes or so till it gets here, and we're going to see how this all plays out. Alright you guys, round two starting to pick up a little bit. Oh, we got some thunder. Starting to rain. Wind's kind of light right now. Oh yeah, the thunder's definitely becoming more active. For sure. Storm's definitely getting a lot closer. Y'all probably hear my neighbors or something through the woods. They're just drunk. Oh yeah, here comes the rain. Oh yeah. She's here, boys and girls. Lord have mercy. Alright. I gotta find some shelter. Alright you guys, so as you can see right here, it looks like a nice little supercell is building right over top of us. We'll go ahead and play the little loop. This is a 1 hour span, so yeah, it's starting to come right over top of us now, which the rain is picking up. Then we got all this over here to the west of us. That's gonna miss us. Thunder's still rumbling in the background. Take it back to the original time. And yeah, this little section, oops, right in here, that's what's hitting us now. So a nice little decent portion. Another nice little thunderstorm coming through. Got a nice little light show out here. Here comes the rain. Lightning's been getting pretty frequent here the past 5-10 minutes or so. Still don't have a whole lot of wind. Really starting to calm down now. Oh, we got a torrential downpour, folks. My goodness gracious. When it rains, it pours. It's really coming down now. Sheesh! Good Lord, she is coming down. Oh, just lost power. You guys see that? I caught that on camera. We just lost power, you guys. Damn. The lights right there ran by a generator. Dang. Rain picks up, lose power. Ain't that something? Sheesh! Oh, I think it came back on. It's flickering now. Guys, I had no clue this supercell was even moving towards us. Another one just popped up out of the blue, just started forming, got bigger and bigger and bigger, and next thing I know, it was right over top of us. That wind is really coming down now. Still no wind. It's heavy rain. Nice little thunder and lightning show. Other than that, it don't seem like it's too severe. So I don't think the lightning's actually hitting the ground. Dang. Sheesh. You guys ever feel like saying that sometimes? You can say that thing at anything. Sheesh. Oh, I got the rain hitting me in the face. That wind is switching up on me. Alright guys, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to stand out here. It's starting to get pretty crazy. Oh yeah. Alright guys, well I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you enjoyed it, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more storm vlogs or this upcoming potential hurricane season that is coming up. If one happens to hit the East Coast, let me know if you want to see a video like that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm going to end it with a lightning flash. Come on, lightning. Come on, lightning. There we go. Alright, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And peace.